Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi 12R. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and now go to menu. Enter settings and now enter Google Assistant. Go to voice match and make sure that Hey Google function is enabled. As you can see, it's working, so let's go back. Enter lock screen and also enable assistant responses on lock screen. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It will be mostly sunny, with a high of 80 and a low of 54.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.